It's 1/14/2012. We are at 865 Rena Delmar in Pacifica, and we're about ready to do a video from a clean out check valve that's in the crawl space of this house, and it goes just from this point to just a few more feet out the front foundation wall, which you can see right there. And first we're going to drag the camera out front so we can shoot the front of the house and the address. We're back into the house now, and we're going to enter into the check valve and push down the line. You can see the timeline in the bottom right hand corner of the screen. It's in military time, 16:30:51 right now. Continuing out to the front of the building. We have gone far enough now to be outside the front of the building. It's only about 8 feet from the check valve. I do believe that this joint right here is where it changes from cast iron pipe back here to what looks like a thicker edge of clay pipe right there. Passing into that right now. Now we are in clay pipe. Another clay pipe joint. We're going to pull out and clean the lens. We pushed into a bunch of muck and now the lens is dirty. Okay, we're going to start again. More muck in the line. I'm going to pull a hose in here and run some water down and try to clean the camera that way. I'll just pull it back to where that muck started. Okay, we're going to stop the water and start again. Okay, now every time I do something, I got to crawl out front. So anyway, we stop the water, and I'm running the camera in again, and hopefully we've flushed the line out, and the camera doesn't get mucked up anymore. We're proceeding from the check valve under the house. We're probably passing under the front foundation wall right now. It's only about 6 or 7 feet in front of us. We are at the point here where it's changing from cast iron to clay pipe. This is in front of the house, about 8 feet in front of the foundation wall, heading toward the street. Clay pipe sections are about 3 feet long, so we'll be having a joint, and I'll stop at each one about every 3 feet. Roots growing in that clay pipe joint there. Two joints close together here, not very far. There's possibly a clean out at this location, but there is no clean out at the surface in the front of the house. More roots growing in a joint here. And it looks like quite a large root mass right here. It does appear that there's a break on the right-hand side of that offset piece of clay pipe. And roots appear to be trailing, trailing down the pipe. It does appear that we're coming up on the main. That is the main we can see in the foreground. There is the water running by. If we pull back a little bit here, you can see where the lateral in the main do not exactly line up. Yeah, at the top of the screen, you can see that there appears to be the edge of the mainline pipe exposed in the lateral as it goes in. Not a very good connection. Obviously not a molded Y or saddle fitting at all. It does appear offset. This is the end of our forward motion. I'm just going to pull the camera back out, and then once we get out of the check valve, call it end of video. We're going to call this end of video. It's 1/14/2011. Here we've just come out of the backflow valve underneath the house. There's the foundation wall in front of us, the access door we crawled in. This is 865 Rena Delmar, Pacifica. I'm going to call this end of video.